Hi guys, it's Lily. So I'm going to be showing you my Squishabino. So first, I made this about 6 hours ago. This one, it's Nutella. It's not that bad, but yeah. Then I made this donut like 2 days ago. This donut. Then I made this craft dinner. Then there's TikTok. Then Among Us, looking kind of sus. Then I made this yesterday. This a waffle. Or this is my dad's favorite cereal, Golden Grams. Then some Doritos. Then some chocolate chip. The chocolate chips are right there, and the chocolate is right there. And then some Cheerios. And then the price is $14. I have some 2 pillows. Bella, my old dog, and my friend Madeline. Then I have a bottle and this. Mom, what is this called?
I don't know.
Oh, I forget what this is called, but it's just like a fruit or something.
Milk to go?
Huh?
Milk to go?
No, the green thing with the circle right here. An avocado. This is an avocado. And some Fun Dip. Not really squishy, but it's okay. Yoho milk, strawberry milk, and Yoho chocolate milk. And then this drink thing. So I'm going to be making a squishy with you, so 1 second. So I'm going to be making one, so 1 second, I'll be back. 1 second. All the stuff that you need. You need a pencil, paper, markers, and tape. And what I have is this big kit thing. I'll show you what's inside. So in the first there's this, all of this supplies. Then in the second one, there's all of these supplies. All of these supplies. Oh, and you need scissors. You cannot forget scissors. And scissors. I'm gonna go get more paper. You need lots of paper, so yeah. So first, I was already starting on. Remember the one that I showed you with the not Fortnite, TikTok and Roblox. Now I'm gonna be doing another donut, but this donut will have glaze on it. So my first part already, I have 2 circles. Then I'm just gonna cut these 2 circles out. These are big things, like big circles. It's gonna be a big donut, so. Whoever doesn't like my squishies, just go scroll. Like, don't watch this video if you hate my favorite squishies. I like my favorite squishies. They're alright, actually. But I like Priscilla's way better. But it's okay. I just need to like get my tape straighter. It's like mine are like all crisscrossed and stuff. Oh, and I like Madeline's. They're nice. So now after they're finished, you would have 2 circles. So now you have to color them. I'm gonna do my donuts. Mom, there was no pink in here. So I'm gonna do my donut pink. So I just need to get a pink marker. Pink. So now I'm just gonna color. Pink. So far. Then I'm gonna do like all different sprinkles on this donut because that's what I do. I like to like give it like a little detail. So yeah. Like this video and like comment if you love doing paper squishies. I like it. It gives me like little things, so yeah, like a little fun time. So now I'm just gonna do sprinkles. But I'm doing the sprinkles with these big things. I'm gonna do a red sprinkle, blue sprinkle, orange sprinkle. So the 4 sprinkles I'm doing is purple, orange, red, and blue. So I'm gonna do purple first. I'm just gonna go straight like this. Perfect, 3 of them. Now red. Red doesn't work the best, but it's okay. Blue works the best. Now orange. Perfect. Now we just need different color, green and yellow. Oh, green doesn't work that much, but it's okay. Yellow you can't really see, but that's okay. And guys, I might be dyeing my hair with these, so like I just go like this, because they are washable. I did pink before, but not with these markers. I did them with another washable at my friend's. And I took a shower yesterday, and then it came out. So this is the final look. So now I'm going to do the back. I'm going to do it brown. Brown. I love my hair. I don't have a clue. I'm just going to Yeah. This is the final looks. Double double secret. So now I'm gonna tape it. Tape time. Tape time. What I do when I'm done with the tape is I'll crumple it up like this. So yeah. Oh god. So like this. Then you flip it. Then you go like this. Okay. The look. So now I just need to cut this few times. Then you go here. Then you go here. Basically, all you're doing is this. You have to go tape here. Tape. Come back for part 2. Bye.